Sometimes when you're working on your website, you might want to put it into maintenance mode. Maintenance mode is just a special mode so that if anybody comes to your site, they'll get a message saying that there is some maintenance going on or the site isn't available now, but check back in 5 or 10 minutes. WordPress will put your site into maintenance mode automatically when it's doing WordPress updates, so that if anybody tries to come to your site while WordPress itself is updating, or plugins or themes, then they will get a message saying, sorry, but the site is briefly unavailable, come back in a couple of minutes. That is automatic, but you can do it manually as well. And there are 3 ways you can do it. You can do it with a plugin. You can do it by modifying the htaccess file so that all requests to your site are redirected to a maintenance page. Or you can add some activate WordPress maintenance code to the functions PHP file. In this video, the only method I'm going to show you is the plugin. That's the easiest. That's the one where you're unlikely to make any damage to your website. So here's one of my demo websites. Let's just go and we'll visit the website, and you can see that the website is loading. Let's go down to plugins, add new. And the plugin I'm going to install is called SeedProd. And this is the one here, coming soon page, maintenance mode and landing pages by SeedProd. This is a light version of a paid product, but the light version is all you need for the maintenance mode. So let's install it and activate it. When it's activated, you'll get a separate menu in the left hand side here with all of the options for the plugin. As you'll see, this plugin can actually do an awful lot more than just a maintenance page. So do feel free to find another maintenance mode plugin if you don't want to have the extra overhead of having a plugin with all these other features, even if you don't use them. But this one does work very nicely. If you click on Pages in the left, you have 2 options in the free version. You can create a coming soon page or a maintenance mode page. Coming soon is if you haven't developed the site yet, you haven't officially launched the site, you can create that coming soon. And the maintenance mode is just basically telling the visitor that you're currently working on the site and to come back later. Let's click on Set Up Maintenance Mode page. And you'll be presented with some templates. Now, some of these templates are for the Pro version only. Some of them are free. I'm going to just click on this simple maintenance mode. Or in fact, let's click on this one. This looks a little bit more interesting. Click on that, a little check mark. And then that takes me to the maintenance page builder, where you can drag and drop items onto your page. When you're finished, we're going to just click on the save and come out of this. And then let's just click on active. Now, if we go over to the website and we refresh my page, you can see it's still loading. Quite often these plugins will show you the website if you're in the dashboard logged in as an admin user. To see this page as anybody else would see it if they come to visit your site, let me just open up a new private window and paste in the URL, visit the site, and you can see now we're down for maintenance. This Contact Us button hasn't been linked to a proper email address, so if I clicked on it, it wouldn't send the person to the right place, but that is something you can do inside the editor. Now, I don't want the site in maintenance mode, so I'm going to just deactivate it. And then if I go back to my in private window, paste in the URL, I should once again see my website. So that's how easy it is to put your site into maintenance mode. Just come in, create the page, modify it if you want to. You can preview it to see what it's going to look like. When you're happy, then just activate it through that little radio button. Once you've done your work and you want your site to be live again, just inactivate it and your site will once again be available to everybody on the internet.